So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bill Shipman, CTO and co-founder of Polaris Quantum Biotech. Really happy to be here and talk to everybody today. So Polaris is the only computer-aided drug design company using quantum annealers. We were founded in Durham, North Carolina in 2020. In the summer of 21, we raised our seed round for $3 million. During 22, we validated our platform on 15 projects, both for internal assets as well as for commercial customers. Very excited that we've launched our SaaS offering in the second quarter of this year. And the key takeaway for Polaris is we are dramatically decreasing the time and cost associated with early drug discovery. So, primary industry challenges: finding novel molecules. Right now, modern technology allows industry to identify new targets for therapeutic action, but having a target, having a protein doesn't give you a new drug. You actually have to find a new complementary drug that will bind and provide some efficacious action. So there's no real clear way to monetize a discovery without a drug. Time is money, especially in the race to develop new drugs. A new discovery has a finite shelf life because clearly your competitors are out to win the same race. So if we think about traditional approaches, looking at off-the-shelf chemistry, that significantly limits the patentability of the compounds you might find. Also, traditional approaches are limited by conventional computing, which is limited to thousands, tens of thousands of molecules. Industry has a steeper hill to climb than ever, both looking for new drugs that are both better and have fewer side effects. How does Polaris address that? By using quantum annealers, we're able to look at trillions and trillions of molecules instead of a few thousands that industry would look at in conventional approaches. This gets us around both issues of patentability and search space, so we're really able to find lead-like compounds that are relevant for drug discovery. So using quantum annealers, the advantage that we get from using a quantum annealer is that we can resolve multiple features at the same time. Features might be bioavailability, synthesizability, target binding, all in a single step. And we're delivering these results in a time order of 1 to 2 days. This allows for faster iteration, exploration of targets in a very efficient manner. Currently, we have a demo, a white paper, and a write-up in Nature Biopharma Dealmakers. The QR code shown here links directly to that Nature write-up. So, how are we delivering results for our customers? First, what we've been running for 3 years is our fee-for-service model, what we call in-depth partnering. This is using industry conventional terms. This offering is targeted for small and mid-sized companies who generally have 1 to 3 targets. These might be either university spinouts or other small companies that have a limited pipeline. The molecules we are delivering are ready for synthesis and testing and further maturation. The new offering that I alluded to earlier, our SaaS offering, QUAD, Quantum Aided Drug Discovery, is targeted for big pharma to team up with existing wet lab and computational capabilities they have. This should be viewed as an enabling technology, allowing them to look at much larger chemical spaces in a shorter period of time. This fits a specific need within the industry to leverage emerging technologies while staying competitive with their peer group. So, to bring it all together, Polaris is pushing to make new drugs faster and more affordably. We are delivering both fee-for-service for our partnering customers, as well as recruiting beta customers for QUAD, that is our quantum SaaS offering for small molecule discovery. For the investors in the audience, we do have a note open. We're raising $2 million to continue the growth of the company and stay in operations. Thank you very much.